We have a brand new feature for you, and we think you're going to love it. It's called the Motorhead of the Week. And each week we're going to tell you about a viewer who personifies the word Motorhead. And there's nobody more fitting than a friend of the show. His name is Randy Lewis out of Bristol, Tennessee. His friends simply call him Crusher. Now, Crusher is the owner and the builder of this 1967 Camaro. And I tell you, this guy was destined to be a Motorhead from day one. In fact, he says his mother even went into labor with him when she was at the drag strip. Needless to say, he grew up in a family of racers. Crusher won his first race in this very car when he was in high school, and that was the first in a long line of race cars he's piloted. He even got his top alcohol funny car license in 1995, and yes, he's been over 200 miles an hour in the quarter mile. Crusher knows his stuff under the hood too, working as a crewman or a car chief with several different teams and racers, including Randy Moore's Pro Mod. He lives in the shadow of Bristol Motor Speedway, and he's been hosting campers on his property for almost 2 decades. And it doesn't matter what kind of racing, Crusher lives and breathes it, and that is why he is our first ever Motorhead of the Week. Now, if you or someone you know should be Motorhead of the Week, click the link on our website, motorheadgarage.tv, and tell us why. Well, there is the checkered flag. That means we are out of time for this episode. We're going to do it again next week. We hope you join us then. Until next week, so long from our entire crew. See ya.